Sarah Content. Hey guys, it's Cora. I'm at Rainforest Adventures looking at the axolotl exhibit. When we saw that Rainforest Adventures had axolotls, we made plans to go right away. I had never heard of axolotls until I played Minecraft. My mom didn't even believe that they were real. I have to admit, the name axolotl does sound kind of weird. But eventually, I was able to convince my mom that axolotls are real. Axolotls are a type of salamander. With 30 species of salamander, the Smoky Mountains are known as the salamander capital of the world. Do you think salamanders are amphibians or reptiles? Axolotls are a type of salamander, and they're only found in a certain lake in Mexico. But you can see them right here at Rainforest Adventures in the Smoky Mountains. You see those things coming off of their head? Well, they look like feathers, but they're actually gills. That's how they breathe underwater.
Gills, good job, yeah. They pull oxygen from the water, and that's how they breathe.
They can also pull oxygen directly into their bloodstream with their blood vessels because they're so close to the surface of their skin. Madison is a zookeeper here at Rainforest Adventures, and she taught me all about axolotls.
We give our axolotls earthworms that we dig up outside.
You can buy axolotl food, but they like worms better.
So they do have an axolotl type of food that you can get. It's like pellets, but they do prefer worms.
It's smiling at me. If an axolotl loses a limb or an organ, they can regrow it. Look how beautiful! We didn't know it until we got there, but Rainforest Adventures sells their surplus of axolotls, and they had just hatched 222 axolotl babies.
We actually hatched 222 babies.
Wow.
That's a lot of babies. A lot of babies. Aren't they cute? They're an aquatic salamander from Mexico. They're nearly extinct in the wild, but they obviously do very well in captivity. See, they're pink. Those are cute too.
Oh, I like the pink ones.
Yeah, lots of people like the pink ones.
In the Smoky Mountains, our native salamanders live in wet areas, under rocks and fallen trees. You might find some when you go hiking. Remember, they breathe through the blood vessels in their skin. If you find one, don't pick it up. Also, you can't take them home. But you can take home one of these axolotls from Rainforest Adventures.
Call your dad and tell him we're bringing home an axolotl.
If you can't take home a real axolotl, maybe you can take home a stuffed one. The Rainforest Adventures gift shop has super cute stuffed axolotls and axolotl books. I hope you love learning about axolotls as much as I did. The next time you're in the Smoky Mountains, bring your family to Rainforest Adventures. Then you can see the axolotls for yourself. This is Cora reporting from Rainforest Adventures. Subscribe for more videos.